Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix your wiper nozzles on your Volvo XC90. So basically on mine, this one goes right here, and I noticed this back half is just gone. It looks cracked or something, you know? And so the cap is definitely gone, and so you turn on the wipers and the fluid would spray out everywhere. But I'm gonna show you how to fix this real quick. So all I did is order these replacements on Amazon. It was only a couple bucks. You can find it. Just search Volvo XC90 wiper fluid sprayer or nozzle or something. You know, it'll work. So then what you gotta do, this is the bad one, so I'm gonna take this out, come up here, pop that out, pop that out. Those are the old ones. Let me open this bag somehow with one hand. There we go. And all I gotta do, set this cable down. Empty. There we go. So basically we got this one. It's hot. Then we got this one. This one goes here, and this corner piece goes to the other side. So what I'm gonna do, and also the reason I only pulled one on this side is because just for now I put the corner piece on this side because that three-way is the only one that was broken. So then all you gotta do, put this in there, just like that. And so then all you gotta do, take this cable like so. This new, no, that's the old one. Yeah, the old ones actually look shiny. Then we plug this over there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Show you guys how to do it. This is probably very simple stuff, guys. I promise you it's not that hard. All you gotta do, put this in there. You gotta kind of pull down, not just push up, because if you just push up, you're gonna have your sprayer on top sticking out. Put this clip in. And also at the beginning, you gotta take that clip out. So that's something to look out for. You don't have to, but you know. This is it. This is it. Now we start her up. Watch this. She's working. And that's how you get her done.